हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। पहला म्यूचुअल फंड्स है हमारा SBI लॉन्ग टर्म एडवांटेज फंड सीरीज़ 3 रेगुलर ग्रोथ। ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। ग्रोथ फंड IDCW। इस फंड की NAV है नेट एसेट वैल्यू एज ऑन 8 अक्टूबर 2021 24.5664 रुपीज़। फंड की हाइलाइट्स: SBI लॉन्ग टर्म एडवांटेज फंड सीरीज 3 रेगुलर ग्रोथ। फंड की हाइलाइट्स: The current net asset value of the SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 regular plan as of 8 October 2021 is rupees 24.5664 for growth option of its regular plan. Its trailing return over different time periods are 59.86% first year, 26.75% 3 years, 15.87% 5 years, and 17.35% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 76.59% first year, 25.62% 3 years, and 17.9% 5 years. The SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 regular plan current holds asset under management worth of rupees 59.54 crore as on August 31st, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 1.38% for regular plan as on March 31st, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is 500. Minimum additional investment 500. And minimum investment of rupees 0. Things you should consider: Riskometer annual return for the last 3 years 27.71%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: 1 month high low 23.858, 24.566. 52 week low high 14.627, 24.566. Asset allocation investment growth: SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 regular growth. First year return 63.31%. 3 years return 27.71%. Okay, SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 regular growth. First year return 63.31% and 3 years return 27.71%. Okay. About fund: SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 regular plan is closed-ended ends equity scheme which belongs to SBI Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on March 31st, 2016. Investment objective and benchmark: asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implications. सो गाइस, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। SBI Long Term Advantage Fund Series 3 Regular Growth IDCW NAV Net Asset Value 24.5664 rupees. Okay, next mutual fund. Okay, so guys, नेक्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है IDFC टैक्स एडवांटेज एल्स डायरेक्ट प्लान ग्रोथ। इसकी रेटिंग है 4 रेटिंग। ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। IDFC टैक्स एडवांटेज एल्स डायरेक्ट प्लान ग्रोथ, रेटिंग 4, ग्रोथ IDCW, NAV नेट असेट वैल्यू 108.0700 रुपीज़। फंड की हाइलाइट्स। Fund key highlights: the current net asset value of IDFC Tax Advantage ELS Fund Direct Plan as of 8 October 2021 is rupees 108.0700 for growth option of its direct plan. Its trailing returns over different time periods are 76.96% first year, 24.78% 3 years, 19.4% 5 years and 19.37% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 56.41% first year, 20.65% 3 years and 14.47% 5 years. The IDFC Tax Advantage ELS Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management of rupees 3,316.6 crore as on July 31st, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.85% for direct plan as on August 31st, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is rupees 500 and minimum additional investment is rupees 500. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 1000. Things you should consider: riskometer, annual return for the last 3 years 26.27%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: 1 month high low 101,000, 108.070, 52 week high low 58.350, 108.070. Asset allocation, investment growth. IDFC Tax Advantage ELS Direct Plan Growth. First year return 80.78%. 3 years return 26.27%. About fund: IDFC Tax Advantage ELS Fund Direct Plan is open-ended ELS equity scheme which belongs to IDFC Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Investment objective and benchmark: asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implications. So guys, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। IDFC Tax Advantage ELS Direct Plan Growth. इसकी रेटिंग 4। ग्रोथ ऑप्शंस: NAV नेट असेट वैल्यू 108.0700 रुपीज़। ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।